Life Discovery Channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Now let's review and discover the interesting things.
Are you ready to step out of your comfort zone and embrace the challenges of nature? This weekend, join us for an exhilarating bushcraft skills course, surrounded by the majesty of the woods. Led by experienced wilderness experts, you'll learn the art of survival in the wild. From building a shelter using natural materials, to creating a fire without matches, you'll master essential skills for self-reliance. Discover the secrets of foraging for food and water, turning the wilderness into your very own pantry. Learn how to navigate through dense forests, using only a compass and the stars as your guide. Face the thrilling test of camouflage and concealment, enhancing your ability to blend seamlessly into the natural environment. Get your hands dirty forging crude tools and primitive weapons, perfect for hunting and defense. Feel the adrenaline rush as you overcome the obstacles nature throws at you. Leave the digital world behind and immerse yourself in the wilderness. Join us this weekend for the ultimate experience of unlocking your inner survivor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thrilling adventures like this one.